My name is Ross and I'm a teacher here at Murdoch University. My speciality is health and physical education. I've taught in secondary schools here in Western Australia and primary schools, and I've also taught in schools internationally. My responsibility here is looking after the 1 to 10 health and physical education program and the secondary program, and I teach into both of those programs, both the physical education units and the health education units. So I'm going to tell you about the health and physical education courses here at Murdoch. The first one I want to focus on is our 1 to 10 program. That enables you to teach as a health and physical education specialist, either in a primary school or up to year 10 in a high school. That course requires you to study for 4 years full-time. The other course that we offer here at Murdoch is a secondary specialist course that enables you to teach from year 7 right through to year 12, including year 11 and 12, phys ed studies and health studies. That course is 4 years. So at Murdoch University, you'll be working with experts in the field, people who have specialised experience in teaching as primary specialists and also as secondary specialists. These people have research expertise and teaching expertise that goes beyond teaching health and physical education. At Murdoch University, you will have the opportunity to get hands-on learning experiences. You'll be working with mentor teachers in both primary and secondary schools, plus you'll be working with expertise within the university itself. On top of that, you'll be able to get coaching qualifications with community sporting organisations. So you'll have a whole range of expertise in which to graduate with. So as a graduate in health and physical education from Murdoch University, you could find yourself teaching in a primary school as a health and physical education specialist. You could also find yourself teaching as a secondary specialist in a high school. But because of your coaching qualifications, you might find yourself working in the community as a semi-professional coach also, or working with sporting associations. We also have students working internationally as health and physical education specialists in schools overseas. If you come to Murdoch University, we can guarantee that you will be job ready. You'll be ready to work as a specialist health and physical education teacher, either in a primary or a secondary context. We have teachers that care about your development, and we will follow your progression in your professional career.